Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into this product version unboxing. Today we're looking at FMSE version 2025.1.1. So first thing we have is an update to booking with Exchange. Now when you book hoteling resources in Exchange, you'll need to follow limits that are set in RSAdmin. So in RSAdmin, you can configure a resource type, say all offices or all workstations in the system, to follow limits to the number of reservations or the number of hours of reservations made in any given day, week, or month. So if a resource is booked in Exchange that violates these limits, an email will be sent back that explains the violation. Next is a small update to MapView. Now in MapView, the capacity of a resource will display in the Information tab when it's selected on the map, as long as the capacity is not blank or 0. Also in this update, the holiday calendar has been updated to include all the holidays until 2029. There are more updates to web content accessibility guideline features in this version. Included in those are things like screen reader compatibility for icons and descriptive image text. So like I mentioned earlier, the alternative text configured for images in the system can now be read by a screen reader. In RSAdmin, you can configure this text in the resource details, and in the front end, when a screen reader encounters an image, it'll read the alternative text. There's lots of bug fixes included in this update. You can pause the video if you'd like to read through them. I'll just be highlighting a few. In RS Web, an issue was resolved where the check in button would not update to say check out after a user clicked it to check out. A bug in the planner view was also fixed. Now the timeout message in the planner view will close properly and redirect the user to the session expired page after the configured inactivity limit. A bug was fixed in the Find a Room plugin where a schedule conflict error message was preventing booking in the advanced scheduling page. Also, a sync issue was resolved when booking an exchange past 12 a.m. Thank you for watching. For more information, please reach out to AMS, FM Systems, or your business partner.